In this video we will see what are NRF modules and why are they used. So let's get started. NRF modules are like tiny radios that let devices talk to each other wirelessly. They're often used in electronics projects. Think of them as invisible walkie-talkies for your gadgets. NRF modules uses radio frequency to communicate with another NRF module. This is the electromagnetic wave chart. And as you can see, this one are the radio waves. Basically, NRF modules are of two types. This one. And this one. The first one is normal NRF module and second one has a higher range than the first module. In the second module, PA stands for power amplifier and LNA stands for low noise amplifier. Both type of modules are very inexpensive. RF modules are also used to communicate, but they have a very small range. And also in RF modules the transmitter can only transmit data and receiver can only receive data. Unlike in NRF modules where one module can do both. Receive and transmit data. The minimum power supply for an NRF module is 1.9 volts and the maximum power supply is 3.6 volts. More than 3.3 volts of current can damage the NRF module. The frequency range for NRF module is 2.4 GHz to 2.5 GHz. NRF module follows SPI communication protocol, and if you want to know what is SPI communication, I will make a specific video for that. These are the pinouts for NRF module. The IRQ pin is not used in most of the cases. We can use NRF modules at many places like in making drone, telemetry, etc. In the upcoming video we will see how to upload code in NRF modules using Arduino, so be subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching.